Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about accountancy, chapter number 4, sum number 8. Okay, so we all discussed about up to sum number 7. The last video has seen about 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so in this video we are going to see about the sum number 8. Okay, what are the important concept in this problem? Without open journal entry, going to post on the ledger. Okay, so directly going to open the ledger. Okay, started business with the cash 25,000 and deposit into bank 12,500. Purchase furniture and payment by check 12,500. Furniture goods return for cash 5,000. Sold goods to wash on credit 4,000. Goods worth rupees 500 taken for personal use. Okay, so first this is a transaction. What is the date? October 1, 2017, October 1. Okay, ledger. Open ledger. The first one, started business with cash. Started business with cash. Rupees 25,000. Okay. Next, 5 deposited into bank. Deposited into bank. 12,500. 12,500. Next one. Purchased furniture and payment by check. Payment by check rupees 2,000. Okay, 2,000. Okay, so next sold goods. Next date 15. Goods purchased for cash. Goods purchased for cash. Rupees 5,000. Rupees 5,000. Sold goods to wash on credit. The date 19. Sold goods to Vasu on credit. Rupees 4,000. And last 22. Goods worth rupees 500 taken for personal use. Taken for personal use. Okay, so the first entry, started business with the cash rupees 25,000. So business means capital. The cash was comes in. So cash account to capital account. Cash was comes in, that is a real account. The business means that is a capital, that is personal account. So but in this problem there is no ledger, but I am going to open journal entry. Okay, first Okay. In this transaction, capital account to cash account. So cash account to capital account. Deposit into bank account to cash account. Bank account to cash account. Purchase furniture, payment by check. So furniture account to bank account. Furniture means that is a goods. Bank means giver. So bank is the personal account. Okay, so rupees 2000. Goods purchased. So purchase account to cash account rupees 5000. Sold goods to Vasu on credit. Okay, so Vasu account to sales account. Vasu is a receiver, receiving the goods, sales. So goods was goes out. Okay, goods goes out means that is a goods one of the real account. Okay, so goods worth rupees 500. So drawing out onto purchase account. Drawing out onto purchase account. Okay. First one, date, particulars, LF, debit. It's a rough work. Okay, this is the rough work. Debit, credit. Okay, October 1, 2017. Cash account debtor to capital account. $25,000. Okay, so started business with cash. Okay, so cash account debtor capital, cash was comes in, capital is the personal account, so amount give. Okay, so proprietor give the amount. Okay, so second one 5. Deposited to bank. So bank is receiver, cash was goes out. Okay, amount was goes out. Okay, so bank is the personal account. Bank account debtor to cash account. 12,500 here. 12,500. Next, deposited into bank. Deposited into bank. Okay, next 10. Purchase furniture, payment by check. So throw the check. Okay, so purchase furniture, payment by check. So purchase account to bank account. Purchase account to bank account. Purchase account debtor to bank account. Okay, bank is the giver. Okay, so 2000. Bank is the giver, 2000. Okay, so purchase furniture and payment by check. Okay, so cash on the capital account, bank to cash, the purchase to bank account. Purchase to bank account. Okay, because of throw the check. Okay, bank is the giver. So purchase furniture was comes in. Okay, furniture, not purchase. Furniture. Okay, furniture account. Because of purchase furniture. In case normally purchased goods means purchase account. Purchase furniture means purchase furniture account data to bank account. Okay, furniture account to bank account. Last two transaction. Okay, goods purchase 15. Goods purchase. Purchase account data to cash account. Purchase account debtor to cash account. Now what is the amount? 5,000 to cash account. Good purchase. Okay, next. Sold goods to Vasu, and this is all rough work. Okay, but in this transaction we're going to open only ledger. Okay, only ledger. So next transaction, sold goods to Vasu, that is a credit transaction, credit sales. Okay, so Vasu is a debtor. Okay, Vasu account debtor to sales account. Okay, 4,000. Okay, sold goods. Next, withdrawn for personal use. Okay, goods withdrawn. Last transaction 22. So drawing account, goods worth means that is a purchase. Withdrawn for personal use, that is a cash. Okay, so purchase account debtor. For bank withdrawn use, that is a withdrawn some amount from the bank means that is called bank account. Drawing account to bank account. But here goods worth rupees 500 for taken for personal use. So take personal use means that is a drawing, withdrawn. Okay, goods worth means that is a purchase. Drawing account debtor to purchase account. Okay, 400. Sorry, 500. Goods taken for personal use. Okay, so now I'm going to open ledger. Okay, so the first cash account. Here, how many cash accounts there? 1, 2, 3. 3 cash account is there. Okay, so now going to open cash account. These are rough work. Okay, cash account. Date, particulars, JF, amount, date, particulars, JF, amount. Okay, so how many cash account? 3. First cash account, first transaction, cash account to capital account. Cash account to capital account. Here, first and the cash account comes under debit side, so capital account also comes under debit side. So October 1 to capital account. to capital account. Amount is 25,000. Okay, next bank account to cash account. So cash account comes under credit side. So bank account also comes under credit side. So October 5 by bank 12,500. Next, purchased cash. So cash account comes under credit side. So purchase account comes under credit side by October 15 by purchase 5,000. So the balance amount is 70,500. Then the balance amount is 7,500. Okay, October 31 then by balance carry by balance carried, and that is here, that is sufficient balance. Okay, so total amount 25,000. Here also total amount 25,000. Okay, so the amount comes from credit side to debit side, that is August September 1 to balance brought down 7,500. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, so next capital account. Next capital account, the bank account. Okay, next bank account. Bank account. Okay, so next bank account. How many bank account is there? How many bank account? That is 2 bank account. Okay, that is 2 bank account. First, second one, bank account and cash account. Bank account comes under debit side, to cash account also comes under debit side. October 5 to cash account rupees 12,500. Okay, next furniture bank account. Oh, furniture purchase furniture payment through check. Okay, so bank is the giver. So by furniture amount is 2,000. Okay, so what is the amount of balance amount? October 31 by balance in the here insufficient balance, that is a 10,500. 10,500. So total amount 12,500. Here also 12,500. So amount comes from here to there. Okay, here to there. Okay, so to balance brought down 10,500 September 1. Okay, so 2 ledger is over. Next one, purchase. How many purchase there? 3 purchase. Only one, then 2. The last one, goods worth rupees 500 taken for personal use. So drawing it to purchase account. Okay, here also purchase or cash account. Okay, so the 2, that is a 2 purchase account. What is the amount? Okay, purchase account into bank account. Purchase account into bank account. Okay, so purchase or cash account, first one purchase. So purchase account here comes under debit side, so cash account also comes under debit side to cash account. Okay, so this is the format of ledger. So amount is 5,000 and one more, that is a drawing account to purchase account. So by drawing August 22 by drawing account, that is amount is 500. So 4,500, that is to balance amount 4,500. Okay, so by balance carry down, here's our insufficient balance, that is a balance carry down 5,000. Okay, so the amount comes from here to there, that is October 31, here September 1, 2, balance brought down 4,500. Okay, okay, so okay, this is the preparation of ledger. Okay, this is a preparation of ledger. Next I am going to solve sum number 11. Sum number 9 is I think is one of the journal entry and ledger, and sum number 11, sum number 10 is some of the very directly going to open ledger, directly going to ledger. So next sum is sum number 10, number 10 and 11. Okay, so next number sum number 11. Okay, so sum number 9 and 10, that is sum number 10 is homework. 9, next video going to see about 9, but now going to see about sum number 11. Okay, sum number 11. Okay, so in this problem we are going to see about directly going to open ledger. Open ledger. So first journal entry. Okay, first journal entry. Okay, so January 1, 2017, Raju business with cash. Okay, so date, particulars, L of debit, credit. Okay, first Raja comments, this is a rough work. Okay, this is a rough work. Raja comments business with cash. Okay, this is sum number 11. Cash account debtor to 1. Cash account debtor to capital account. Okay, cash account debtor to capital account. Okay, so cash account capital account, the commence business with cash. Commence business with cash. Okay, so how much? 50,000. Okay, the second, sold goods for cash. Okay, sold goods for cash. The second date, cash account debtor to sales account. Cash account debtor to sales account. The amount is 8,000. Okay, cash sales. Cash sales. Okay, third one, sold goods to Ravi, Devi and credit. Okay, Devi account debtor to, Devi is the debtor, so Devi account debtor to, what is the date? 6/8. Devi account debtor to sales account. What is the amount? 9,000. Okay. Sold goods to Devi on credit. Okay. Then 15. Goods purchase for cash. So purchase account debtor to cash account. Purchase account debtor to cash account. The amount is 4,000. Amount is 4,000. Here also 4,000. Okay. Goods purchase for cash. Okay, so next one, last date, goods purchased from Shanti and credit. Shanti is one of the creditor. Okay, so purchase account to Shanti account. Purchase account debtor to Shanti account. Okay, so 5,000. So purchase one of the goods. So goods was comes in. Shanti is the creditor. Okay, so the credit the giver. So purchased goods from Shanti. Okay, so now we're going to so next step we're going to open ledger. Okay, so this is the transaction. You are going to open the ledger. Sum number 9, sum number 10 is the homework. So assignment. Okay. So I hope you are very well understand about this ledger. Okay. So next lesson we are going to see about that is a trial balance. That is the next step. First step, journal entry is over, ledger is over, then trial balance. Okay. So thank you for listening video. Thank you so much.